Hey guys, my name is Ashton and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing an unboxing of TXT and Stray Kids' new album. I've waited very long for this, and that's because I pre-ordered the albums together from Global Interpark. That way I didn't have to pay for TXTs by itself and worry about shipping and then customs on top of that and then do it again for Stray Kids. So I was like, might as well just pre-order them all together, which is why I have waited so long, but I'm super excited that they have arrived. Because I've been seeing everyone else like trying to open theirs, and like I've seen some of the photo cards have looked like, and I'm just like, I want mine now, please. Put this bad boy up. Throw that behind. Oh yeah. So I did order both versions of TXT's album, and then I ordered both versions of the normal version of No Easy for Stray Kids and also the limited version. My god, that was so much trouble getting the limited version, because I remember when it first released, I didn't have enough money to get it right away, so I was waiting, and then it sold out basically everywhere. But then Global Interpark got more in, and I was like, you know what, whatever, pre-ordering all of this now, have to. So this is for Stray Kids right off the bat. I'm seeing Chan up there. Okay, this was for TXT. It came with a phone grip and a photo card in here. Let's see. Wait, oh, ew. We got like both my biases. We got Yeonjun and Kai. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, totally worth it. Love it. Okay, and we got a new phone grip. I don't really use phone grips just because I keep like a photo card or like a fake one in there. So right now I have like a fake mark Polaroid in there. Very cute. I switched it up, but happy with that. All right. So right now for this, for Stray Kids, we got Jisun, and then we got two Chans. You know, I feel like if they can see that these are the same, I feel like they'd give you another one, but they don't. We've already learned that with Big Hit. Okay. I'm gonna do TXT first because I've been waiting much longer for that one. Again, I don't remember which one is the fight and which one's the escape version. Yeah, we have already discovered that. I just don't remember which versions are which for any of them. For the most part. Oh, okay. Escape version. There we go. I'm glad they tell me right off the bat, because like I wouldn't have known. Already, I like how sturdy this is, how thick. A nice book. I was thinking I don't have room on TXT shelf behind me at the bottom. So, I'll put it somewhere. So flip it open. Already, we have everything right there for me. We have this, which I can't use. Oh my god! Okay, right off the bat, I got two Taeyeon cards. First of all, so adorable. Oh my god, he's so cute. This is my friend's bias. Oh my god, he's adorable in his little beret. And then we got Bumgyu, which is an AR card. That's so cool. It's like money. I love it. 100 tomorrows. That's so cute. And then we got Kai stand. So cute, my goodness. Also, they've been releasing all the teasers for their photo books that are coming out. I'm gonna have to pre-order that because they just look so good. Okay. Oh, it's like a little mini poster. That's so cute. Man, I love posters. I have no room for any anymore, but you know, it's fine. I just keep them. to look at them. The lyric book, very cute. I like the colors of this album time around, like with the pink and stuff. It's very cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. The stickers. It's like the Chaos chapter is supposed to be more edgier, which it is, but it's also like very cute. Oh, this is a big poster. Oh, my poster, but wow. If it wants to open. I like that. I should put that in my poster book though. That my friend got me. Oh, and then we got Subin. Looking good as always. That's what the CD looks like. Which is very cute. And of course we got like the photo book. I like when it's like attached to it, that way it doesn't like fall out. Oh, hello. Oh, excuse me. These boys are just so cute. There we go. I have to show a little bit of everyone. Let me just get them as well. Alright. So that's the escape version. Let me quickly put everything that needs to be back in here, or else I'm going to forget. Keep that out because I need to show my friend that later. Put that there. We'll do this one. We'll do the fight version. I'm more of a escape kind of person, and flight or fight, fight. So I'm just like, oh, okay, we open up and everything's already up there. Oh, I got 2 stands in this one. It's right. Who did? Cute. Okay, so I got Subin and Yunjin, the photo cards. Got AR card, and I got 2 of Huening Kai's stands for whatever reason, but now I have both of his. Sometimes it's nice when they accidentally give you a double of something. You're like, okay, I'll take that, thank you. No hard feelings here. And behind me, in the lyric book, looks the same as the other one. I like the pink in this one. We have this book. I was gonna say I probably would like the escape version more because I'm the flight kind of person, but the fight's aesthetic is also very nice. Skater boy, very esque. And like the stickers are so nice. Oh, so cute. Oh, I got Kai's picture in this one, or postcard, I suppose. I got Subin in the other one, and a big poster. Love that. Imagine that just being on your wall and just like having Skater Boy stare at you. I say as I have a bunch of other posters on my wall. I mean, they're over there on my door. There. Got the stickers. This is what that CD looks like. Very like Papa pink, very bubblegum pink, I would say. I like that. It's aesthetically pleasing to myself. photo book. Lovely boys. Wow. I really like the concept for this comeback. It's just them being like super cool, like skater boys, and just like very boyfriend-esque, which is what we all want. That's why we're into K-pop now. I'm just saying, like, boyfriend pictures are just like what we live for. TXT is no exception. I can't let Hyunjin hear me say TXT or else he will come for me because he gets upset. But you know what? Don't care. It's easier to say the tomorrow by together less syllables. So that is that. Oh, actually, let me put that stuff in there as well. I always have a tendency to forget, and then everything gets lost. Honestly. There. Okay. So that's everything for TXT. So we're gonna move on to Stray Kids. So right off the bat, we had these extras, I suppose. So we'll start with Jason up here. Okay. So I got Banchan. So the other two better not be him because I don't need three of the same one. I can just trade, but you know, after waiting so long, I don't want that. Oh, this is that's cool. Little flip book. Okay, so this is the Monday lineman. I know that IN is here. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Oh, that's all. So I got two of the Hyun lines and two of the Monday lines. Okay, so. Oh, I got Chanbin. Alright. So I either need Jisun so I can complete 3 Raja, or get Minho so I can do the Hyun line. Even though I guess Hyunjin's part of that too, but so cute. Okay. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's so precious. Oh my god. Oh, he's so cute. I'm like, oh, he's so pretty though. Oh my god, I'm so happy he's back. Like, who could ever hate this person? He's an angel. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so we don't have to go through this flip book because we got Banchan again, so we'll have to try to trade him. I'm just happy not all 3 of them were him, or else I'd be like, excuse me. Okay, so put that to the side. Put you in the trading pile. Have something here. Okay, so these would be the normal edition. This is the limited, and then right off the bat we have Jason up here. We have Jason. We have Felix. And we have John. Very cute. Adorable angels. Love that. So we'll start with the limited edition first. But I was going to be super sad if I couldn't get the limited edition because I've gotten the limited edition for the past 3 albums so far. And I was going to be like, Excuse me. I need to complete. Or else it'll be so difficult to get limited versions for anything. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god. Oh, okay, there's a flip card in here. Oh, there's flip cards in this. There's many. Oh my god, what is that? Oh, yes. Okay, so we got, for the normal ones, we got Hyunjin and Jeonin, which are super cute. And then I got double-sided Minho. Look at that. He's so precious. I'm so happy I have this. I didn't know this was a photo card to be had, but I'm happy that I have it. Oh, adorable. Okay. I'm already like, I have just one. These stickers. I love these stickers. I love this color combo. Green and purple. Those are two of my favorite colors. Pink is also one of my favorite colors. So green and purple, pink and purple are very nice as well. I also like pink and blue. There's a lot of color combos that I like, but those two are really nice. Okay, so then we have Jisun and Cinnamon. Oh, they look so good. And then on the back it just says no easy, which is sick. Also like this star here because it looks like a video game kind of thing. Okay, there's cheese there because you know, don't need cheese, right? Okay, this is the layer book. Okay. And then home in each of them are just on the page. Okay, Felix, come into play here. Wow. This is the photo. Oh, they're just stunning. Oh my god. I don't know who allowed this. This is illegal. I really want them to actually make a movie because that trailer for this whole thing was so good. And I loved how it was like Deadpool-esque, and I'm just like, you guys actually need to make a movie. Get Ryan Reynolds to make a movie with Stray Kids. I'll just go through. He just looks so good. Well, show him again, because again, he looks just so good. Show him too, because he looks good. And we'll show all of them. Wow. I am very happy that I was able to get the limited version. Already just great pulls today, so happy. After waiting forever to be able to get these. And again, I don't remember which version is what, but it doesn't matter. Go with the green version. Again, green and purple, just fantastic color combinations. I can't explain it. They just look so good. Okay, so this time I have Felix and Sunmin. So cute. And I got Hyunjin double-sided. It's so cute. He just looks so good. I mean, so because they all do. Oh, that's cute. I like this. Their names as stickers. That's really cute. Ooh, okay, so this time I got Chanbin and Chan. Very nice. And again, just says no easy on the back. This is also what this CD looks like. I love it. I don't know, does it give anyone else like Halloween vibes? Like green and purple? I don't know, it does for me. So again, this is just the same pictures for the lyric book. Got the photo book. Just gonna flip through quickly. Whoever it lands on is who we see. Very nice. Very nice. There we go. God, I thought I broke it for a moment. Like, don't break your albums. Just got them. Now we're on to purple version. I think it's just A and B now for the versions like last time. So CD is the purple one, and then you get the same stickers for that. Alright, so I got Jason for both of them. So cute! And then I got Jonathan's cute little double-sided one. These are so cute. I love these. Whoever's idea was to include these, I love them. And these are just so cute. I've been really just getting... No, I got a mixture of a lot. But a lot of Hyunjin and IN today, for sure. So the stickers are the same. Oh, of course. I'm so happy. And then I got Jonathan and Minho. Look at this. They look so good, and then this is no easy on the back as well. Their book should be the same. Yes, it is. The photo book. Through quickly. Skip 200. No, we'll list 100 in there. There we go. Skip few looks back. So. There we go. Wow. Wow. Just. Whew. They just like outdo themselves with every comeback. And I think that with every group, but like for real. They just keep giving us bangers. Same can be said with TXT, because honestly, man, the last two comebacks, oh my god. Like, I was still processing Love Song, and then, like, they come out with their new song. I was like, oh my god. And I love it. It's actually stuck in my head right now. Alright. So that's everything there. I was happy to unbox it after so long and just, like, show everyone what's inside. I'm very happy with all my pulls. Not a single bad one. Like, I never have a bad pull. Like, if I pull a double, triple, quadruple, which has happened, you know, just trade it. It's okay. There's no member that I'm never excited to have. There's, of course, I want my bias or biases, but you know what? I'm happy with every single member. I really collect all members of any group, even if there's one that I'm, like, personally am trying to seek out. Doesn't matter. Always happy. Always a good time. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye bye.